So now here's where we add the accelerator pedal connector to the harness. And it's a GT 150 6-prong connector. You can get them from BP Automotive. We've put the insulators or the seals on each of the wire, and now we're crimping the GT 150 terminal to the wire. We're actually using the Renstig connectors here, but for doing a single pedal, you can use a set of generic crimpers, and then depending on what your opinion is on solder, you can go back and put a quick solder on those terminals to guarantee that they won't come apart. Again, we're not here to argue the upside or downside of soldering versus crimp connecting. I'm just presenting the options.
Okay, now that's done.
So in our particular case here, we have a template that shows us the color wire that we'll be shoving into the connector. You guys will be referring to your alldatadiy.com pinouts and schematics for this data. So our wire colors that we've chosen for the accelerator pedal are not necessarily random. We went with a solid white because here it's white with a red tracer. This one would be yellow with a red. This one was black with a blue. We went with the solid blue. Brown with a red, we chose brown. And then green with white, we chose solid green. And then black with a purple, we chose a solid purple. That helps us differentiate. And we have a form that we would send to customers if they were trying to change to a car or a truck pedal or vice versa, that gave these specific wire colors, and they could work their way through that change.